What does it taste like with all this shiny red syrup? It looks so yummy! Hi everyone! Today we are going to make this candied apple candy kit. The instructions are super easy, just 2 simple steps. You can also find the instructions written on the back of the package. Let's open it up. Oh, there are 8 little round candied apples inside. And oh, something just popped out. Colorful toppings. There's even a toothpick included. And look at this. The red, glossy syrup is something you don't want to miss. Alright, let's get started. First, we will pour the toppings into the tray. We've got sprinkles in pink, purple, blue, and yellow. So colorful! Nice sound! Next up, let's squeeze the red syrup into the tray. It's apple flavored too. Oh, so shiny and pretty! Isn't it exciting when things are transparent like this? Let's squeeze it all out to the very last drop. Like this. Look! We are all set and ready to go. Let's try one. Stick a candy apple onto the toothpick, then dip it into the red syrup. Just spin it to get it all covered. It's so gooey and fun to dip, and the color is adorable too. Now, don't forget the colorful toppings. Let's try to get as much on there as possible. How's that? So cute with all those colors. Let's give it a taste. いただきます。Delicious! The soft, chewy apple-flavored candy goes perfectly with the syrup and crunchy toppings. It might be small, but it's super satisfying. Let's try one more. I always want to pile on the toppings. Let's swirl it around in the syrup again. Then dip it into the toppings. Love that shaking sound. Wow, we got so much on this one. Looking good! No matter how many times I eat it, it's always yummy! I feature all kinds of fun Japanese DIY candy kits on this channel, so if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye bye!